Hello to everyone who's watching this video. Now I'm going to show you how you can post anonymous post. Yeah, it's easy, and just remember to tap on subscribe and on link so that next time when I upload the new video you'll get notification. Yeah, first thing you do, you come here on your Facebook app and then you open it. And after opening it, for example, you want to post in in a group called Radio Rwanda half year away. Then you come here, you can just come here directory and or come here to write something, and you want to post, for example, world hero, and as you see here there is something called post anonymous free. Yeah, it means to post so that no one knows that you posted, but they see your post only, know that no things which shows that you posted. Yeah, then you will go, then you tap on it, you tap here. As you see, they tell you that anonymous posts published in the groups do not include your name and profile photo. Just only they say that admins and moderators Facebook systems can see your name and photo, and the details included in an anonymous post could reveal your identity. To protect your privacy, and we turned off some options. Yeah, and then you come here and you tap on this goodies. Yeah, and as you see here where there was your profile photo and your name is not still there, and you see that they're telling you that you are an anonymous member. And then you come here, you tap here on post. Yeah, and as you see, in when the people who sees your post, they saw that they say that you're anonymous member. Yeah, they do not see them like as this one was. No, they see that you are anonymous member. And also you can comment, on your post as anonymous member, so that knows to your for example, your no one sees your profile and your name. Yeah, this was how you can post anonymous post. And if let me tell you how to let me show you that you can comment as anonymous person. For example, what good, as you see, they tell you that you are anonymous member who commented good. Yeah, this was a was a video which shows that how you can post in as anonymous member. To me, no one knows your profile and your your username, your name and your profile. No one knows that you are the one who posted that post. Yeah, and remember to tap on subscribe so that next time when I upload the new video you will get notification. Yeah, thanks.